Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net. Thank you for tuning in. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you can stay connected with us. Let's go ahead and jump straight off into the video, but this is going to be over the Allen and Heath Avantis console. It's a great console. It's a great console. 4-channel console, new console, Allen and Heath. So today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to activate the spill function. So when this console comes, you have to activate that function. All right. So let's jump straight to it and check this video out.
All right, so this is how you set up your DCA spill. So what you want to do is you want to go to setup over here in this section, and you want to go to control, and it'll probably be in channel strip, in strip assign when you first bring it up. Then you want to go over here to DCA spill. Then you want to make it hit spill active to make it active, and you can set it up in numerical or strip, and you can set it up to be auto or manual. All right, so now since it's active, when we have that DCA selected, when we hit this mix, if you see over here on the left hand side that my my channels that I have in that DCA were brought up on this left hand side over here. So if I choose this next DCA, and let's just bring up the faders for that one. And so that's DCA 2. That's DCA 1. And so you can see that it's spilling over here to the left hand side. And when you don't have anything in that DCA, it'll show up blank. And it's like that. All right. So that's how you activate your DCA spill. All right. So.
All right. Appreciate you guys for staying around to the end of the video, and make sure you come back for the next one, or click the video. I don't know where it is. It's gonna be on one of my sides up here. One of the playlists, so you can watch one of the next videos. All right. Well, or one of the old videos. And so make sure you hit the subscribe button or that little bell. So appreciate you coming in. This is Jason with SoundDesignStudio.net, and this has been over the Avantis Allen and Heath spill function and how to activate it. Talk to you in a minute. Peace.